Welcome to Forest Hill. We're so glad you chose to worship with us today. If you are visiting with us for the first time, please take a moment to fill out a connection card located in the bulletin. You can take it to the Connection Center in the foyer after service. Here's some happenings at the Hill. Today we will continue our series, Flawed Followers. The Mother's Prayer Group will meet tonight in the Education Building, room 503 at 5:15. Tonight we will have the Bowling family with Forest Hill's Benson on the piano lead us in worship. Don't forget to sign up for mission meals at the Connection Center today or call the church office by Tuesday. The senior adults at the Hill will have a picnic in the fellowship hall this Wednesday at 10:30. Wednesday is our family night sports ministry, 6 o'clock in the gym. There's entertainment for the whole family. Prayer lab is Wednesday from 6:30 to 7 in the sanctuary. Next Sunday is Pastor Appreciation Day. A special love offering will be taken. Come prepared to make this day and the following week a special time for Pastor and his family. The Hill kids are having a girls' spectacular and boys' camping trip on April 27th. Register in the kids' hall by April 22nd. The senior adults at the Hill will take a trip to tour Hyundai Motor Manufacturing on April 27th. Sign up by April 22nd. If you're a visitor today, our pastoral staff would love to meet with you in the foyer after service. If you have a smartphone or tablet, you can follow along with the weekly sermons on your YouVersion app. If you would like to help serve on our media team, please plan to stay for a brief meeting next Sunday after church in the sound booth. If you'd like to receive notifications on your smartphone or tablet, download the app. Once again, thank you for joining us today.